Can you open an Ally Bank account online? Intro. Hook. Have you ever wondered if it's possible to open a bank account without stepping foot into a physical branch? In today's digital age, many banks are offering online-only services, making it easier than ever to manage your finances from the comfort of your own home. One such bank that's gaining popularity is Ally Bank. So, the question is, can you truly open an Ally Bank account online? Let's dive in and find out. Building context. Why online banking? Before we get into Ally Bank specifically, let's discuss the benefits of online banking in general. Online banking platforms offer convenience, accessibility, and often lower fees compared to traditional brick-and-mortar banks. You can check your balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and even apply for loans all from your computer or smartphone. Ally Bank's reputation. Ally Bank has made a name for itself in the online banking industry. Known for its high-interest savings accounts and competitive rates on other products, Ally has attracted a significant customer base. But can you truly open an account with them without ever visiting a branch? The process of opening an Ally Bank account online. Step-by-step guide. Let's walk through the process of opening an Ally Bank account online. Visit the Ally Bank website. The first step is to visit the Ally Bank website. You'll find a clear and easy-to-navigate interface. Choose an account type. Ally offers a variety of accounts, including savings accounts, checking accounts, CDs, and more. Decide which account best suits your financial needs. Fill out the application. You'll be prompted to fill out an online application form. This will require you to provide personal information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Verify your identity. Ally will likely require you to verify your identity. This might involve providing a copy of your driver's license or passport. Fund your account. Once your application is approved, you'll need to fund your account. Ally typically offers options like linking your existing bank account or mailing a check. Additional considerations. Security and safety. Online banking security is a major concern for many people. Ally Bank employs advanced security measures to protect your personal and financial information. This includes encryption technology, fraud monitoring, and two-factor authentication. Customer service. While you won't have the option of visiting a physical branch, Ally Bank offers excellent customer service. You can contact them by phone, email, or live chat. Fees. It's important to be aware of any fees associated with your Ally Bank account. While they generally have lower fees compared to traditional banks, there might be certain charges for specific services. Conclusion. The answer. So, can you open an Ally Bank account online? Absolutely. The process is straightforward and can be completed in a matter of minutes. Ally Bank's commitment to online convenience, competitive rates, and strong security measures make it an attractive option for those looking to manage their finances digitally. Call to action. If you're ready to open an Ally Bank account, visit their website and get started today. Remember, online banking offers a convenient and efficient way to manage your money. Outro. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions about opening an Ally Bank account or online banking in general, feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe for more financial tips and advice. Until next time.